friends, welcome to our Kids Clonan channel. Today we will see how to make cheesy potato pancake. First, we start 4 potatoes and mash them. Keep it in the bowl. Then add 8 spoons of maida and 4 spoons of corn flour. Okay, now add 1 spoon of chili powder and full onion chopped 1. Then put some coriander leaves. Finally, add 2 spoons of cumin powder and some salt. Now mix all of them very well and make flat shape. Put grated cheese on the top and fold it. Fry with 1 spoon oil with medium flame. Now it's ready. I am going to taste cheesy potato pancake. Let me taste it. Wow, it's amazing. Everyone liked this, including kids. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.